Bonds. You are a big fat piece of junk. I don't want to ever see your shit again. You are a motherfucking cunt. You are a bitch and you're stupid and ugly. You are a motherfucking cunt. You are the motherfucking cunt. I hate you so hard. And Flurry hates you as well. And bye. You're a gross piece of garbage and I wish you died in a fucking fire. You're a fucking cunt. You are a fucking cunt. You can be a fucking copy shit. There's no quality. This message. That's what you need.